Captain Starlight and welcome to another Unbox and Play. And today we are playing with the Barbie Leopard Rainbow Hair Doll and the Barbie Extra Car. Before we get unboxing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have you done it yet, Barbie? Oh my gosh, you're so extra. The Barbie Leopard Rainbow Hair Doll comes with 3 super stylish items. Create multiple mix and match outfit combinations and all kinds of hairstyles with 16 hair and fashion play pieces, including scrunchies that work on a Barbie doll's hair. The Barbie Extra Car is equipped with everything the extra dolls need to ride around in style. The rear of the car features a pool area for this super cute corgi puppy, equipped with a floaty and some stylish shades. Alright, let's park this for now and open up our wonderful rainbow hair Barbie. Alright, here we go. Look, earrings and rainbow hair. Oh, hello, nice to meet you. Oh, I'm so excited to be here. Oh, it's so great to have you. Let's get her accessories out before we change her outfit. What do you reckon? So we've got some hair scrunchies. 1, 2, 3, can you see those? T-shirt, a vest, amazing little necklace. It's probably a bit too small for me. Oh, we've got a backpack and it's got a little puppy paw on it. How cute is that? Big old brush. And we've got some amazing yellow boots. Oh, yellow's my second favorite color after purple. Some little kitty cat ears. And then we've got some little hair clips as well. Oh my gosh, so many hair clips. Cue makeover montage. Now that she's all dressed up, let's take a look at this wonderful rainbow hair reveal. So what I've got here is we've got some cool leopard print, but if I add some hot water to the comb that we pulled out earlier and run that across there, let's see what happens. Can you see that? How cool is that? It disappears. Oh, right here. Beep. Look at that. Let's get unboxing the car. Barbie, you can sit here and watch. How cool is that? And this is that corgi we were talking about earlier, and some sunglasses, and of course some fluffy pink seats. Oh, very, very nice. All right, let's get into it. All right. Yeah, here it is. Here we go. We've got some really fun things. We've got some more accessories over here. Oh, we've also got the display Barbie right here. Hey, how you going? Oh, congratulations on your new purchase. Whee! Oh, off she goes. Oh my goodness, the cute puppy. Look at him. How cute is that? And we've got a really cool floaty for the puppy dog to have a swim and some sunglasses. Let's pop our sunglasses on. Oh yeah, there we go, how cute. And then this little area in the back here is actually a pool area for the puppy. Oh yeah, and we've got some accessories. We've got a little revision mirror, some other mirrors to go on the side of the car as well. One there, click, and one right there, click. Looks like another top for you, Barbie, and some new shoes. Nothing left to do but to take it for a spin. Let's pop our puppy dog into the pool area and pop our Barbie into the driver's seat. Beep, beep. In your hot, Barbie. Put your belt on. Off you go, Barbie. Beep, beep. Man. Oh, so cool. Well, thank you so much for joining me, Captain Starlight, on another Unbox and Play. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you later, guys. Bye.